What's up, boobers, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use skill builder so you can make your own moves like this. That was loud for me, at least. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah. Anyways, the first thing you want to do is go into insert. Of what I know, you can use a general like a prop. But I don't like using props, so you can skip that. The hitboxes, there's a beam, closest to mouse, grab, release, radius, and my favorite is standard. I usually use standard, so together we'll use standard. And we've got all of these other moves. We can use velocity forward, which just moves you forward, and a knockback move, which knocks back the enemy. Yeah, it's cool. You can also pause the video at any time. Yeah. We also got effects. You can use things like an after image, a crater, which is also my favorite, and some other stuff. And lightning. We're gonna make some simple stuff, so no lightning, I think. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. Actually, yeah. So, quickly grab lightning 2, not lightning 2, next by highlight. And just put it at the 30-second mark. Then some lightning will appear, which is cool. Yeah. You also got utility. There's bring. You can bring it back. It'll be a counter, so if somebody punches you, you can like do like a parry or whatever. I don't like using utility that much. We got some usual things. We got a stun, damage. We'll use damage. I also mostly use damage too. Take away insert, so it like goes away. So you can click it, and then you can also make it go away. Stuff. And you can also use the move settings. We're gonna call this move the you gotta what? Okay, you know what? No. Okay. So just when you go to the settings, just click save, and then it will ask for your name. We're gonna call it no, not. We're gonna call it punch. Just confirm it. Then you see it's punch. You can also use the damage scale like this. Press apply and save. And now it should do damage. You see? It did damage here. Yeah, I did 84. So now we can get to on the cool stuff. It's called load. So on the load, you can get a prop, create your own animation, but we're going to use animations here. So for the punch, actually you can call it whatever you want. We're going to use let me see. We're going to use last breath. Yeah, like that. And here, put it before the lightning on the third layer. Yeah. Here, it should Just put lightning at the 1 minute and 30 seconds mark. Yeah. Here. Let me. Yeah. So, you can also use any other animation that you want. We're not going to use trails or beams. You can skip those two. We can use these. Like, yeah. We're going to use a cyborg explosion after the lightning. There. So then it would look like, yeah, the cyborg explosion. You can use whatever you want from here. It's like all good. We also got some of these. This is like my favorite, so we're gonna use it, of course. Got it right there. You see, right now it's facing the wrong direction. So all I gotta do is get the green one. No. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, the green one. The green one, please. Please. No. No. You know what? Oh. Okay, thank you. Now. Oh. 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 Okay. I should cut that out. Anyways, then just put it over there. And why? Yeah, like that. And then when you look, yeah, look, see, there's this little thing. We're actually almost finished. It's cool. We've also got some particles. You can use whatever you want. I'm not going to skip to that too. And now we're going to use a punch hit. If you're wondering what it's called. Number 1. Punch number 1. What? Oh, okay. It was late. Yeah, 1 minute 30 second mark. There. And yeah, that's the tutorial. Save. And leave. And now you can click yes. And then you'll get punch. And then if you look, I missed. No. What's wrong with me? What? Yeah, you see it. It happens. So that's the end of the tutorial. Even though I made big mistakes. Anyways, bye.